Hello, my name is Nika. I study English at school.
Hello, my name is Yami. I study English at school.
Can you spell in the evening?
Yes, I can in the evening and spell INTHEEVENING.
Can you spell at night?
Yes, I can at night and spell APNIGAT.
Can you spell practicing?
Yes, I can practicing and spell PRACTICING.
Can you spell piano?
Yes, I can piano and spell PIANO.
Can you spell dinner?
Yes, I can dinner and spell DINNER.
Can you spell doing?
Yes, I can doing and spell DOING.
Can you spell homework?
Yes, I can homework and spell HOMEWORK.
Can you spell listening?
Yes, I can listening and spell LISTENING.
Can you spell radio?
Yes, I can radio and spell ORADIO. Bye bye.